seen me up as well. Hey, I'll have that on camera.
Have you?
Yeah. Alright, where's the car? That was close, man. We'll have to watch that tonight.
I'm done, man. Let's go.
He comes straight in front of me too then.
I'm surprised that doesn't happen like 10 times a day.
I know.
Every time you come riding. Because at 150 comes to the car.
Yeah, but it's only like, what are the chances of both people coming on a corner?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like if you see him here, it's alright.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Need a sec? Fuck, man. Fuck, I could just imagine.
Where's your heart? You swallow it.
I'm shaking, man. Yeah.
It was close.
You know what? I was behind you and I was starting to
I was-
panic. I'm like, what's going to happen? Where do I fucking...